Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I'm going to show you a simple way and inexpensive way to make your own icing decorating tips. And all you actually need is a Glad bag. And this is a Glad bag with the top cut off of it, and a little tiny slit cut in one corner. So with that, I'm going to take regular cake icing, and this is the thick stuff. This is the big tube. So I find the corner with the slit, which is right here. I'm going to do some yellow garland on these trees. So just put that in the bag. I'll squeeze some icing into that corner. For this job, it's not going to take too much. And I'm going to do this tree that's right beside the green tree. Hopefully that's good enough view. And if you want to know how to make these trees, I've done a video on that. Click the link below, or above, I'm sorry, and it'll take you directly to it. So, regular cake icing made into, you can write with this, you can decorate small items with it, and all it is just a Glad bag, and it's actually easier to work with than decorator tips. So if you're looking for a cheap and affordable way, that would be it. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Like, share, and subscribe.